No, no. Okay, good boy. What's over there? What's over there? What is that? What is it? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, it's not supposed to fall. No, it's up there. Go get it. Hey. Hey. Come here. Give me this. Come on. Sammy. Come get it. Come on. Come here. I put it right there. If you want it, you gotta get it. Ah, you little bugger. You little smarty pants. Okay, Mom's gonna put it harder now. There it is. Get it. Come on. You can do it. I've seen you do this already. Come on. Sammy, come here. Hey. Hey, Mr. Adorable. Come here. Hey, look what our mommy's got. Come here. Come here. Mommy better grab something interesting. Hey, Sammy. Look what I got. Sammy. Oh, where'd he go? Hey. Want this? Come on. Come on. You don't want to play with that. You don't want to play with that. Come on, give me. Yeah, Nana. He climbed up there all by himself, and he can climb down. He just doesn't want to. So, yeah. Let's watch a little meathead climb down now. See how long it takes him to decide he wants to climb down. Really? You're going to go down that way? See, he can get up and he can get down.